Hey guys, welcome to Tech Crew. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Geforce Now. So to install Geforce Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open your preferred browser of choice. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for Geforce Now on Google. So what Geforce Now is, it's basically like a game streaming platform, kind of like Stadia and like other game streaming platforms basically. And it allows you to stream games from NVIDIA servers, their own PCs, to yours, which basically means that you can play any game you want that's available on GeForce Now, as long as you own it on another service. So GeForce Now actually has a free tier that limits you. It does limit you to an hour at a time, but you can just rejoin. And another advantage of GeForce Now is that there's no like subscription fee. You don't actually have to, so if you just want to use it casually sometimes, but what I have found is that if you want to use a free version, there usually is long wait times, so that's the only problem. So that's really the only downside to it, but otherwise it's a pretty good streaming platform, as it does have a free tier, and there is actually also a paid tier, so you can skip the line and you can also play for much longer. I think the limit's 6 hours if you get the premium version. So if you just go here, you can see that there's a bunch of different platforms you can download for and use it on. There's even a web version, I think, that works on Safari, and there's also a Chrome version that works on like Chromebooks and stuff, so that it really allows people to like play the games they want wherever they want without having to pay a lot to actually play them in good quality and stuff, because it does work pretty well. And as you can see, it's already installed. It's pretty easy to install. You just go to there and then choose download now, and then it installs really easily. It just puts you into the application, and then it'll tell you if there was an update or something, and then it'll just give you a tour, and it's just really simple. Once you download it, it's like super simple. You can sync your games and link your Steam and stuff like that, and then you can just go ahead and choose which game you want to play. So that's basically it for today's video. If you guys liked today's video on how to download GeForce Now for Windows 10, please be sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos.